Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another Vlogmas daily vlog, y'all. As you can see by the title, honey, we need to do some extreme cleaning, okay? Now, I know the house is real pretty. You see all the Christmas lights, everything looks cute. That's fine and all, but as you guys know, we have a cat. His name is Jasper. He's been crawling around the fireplace, moving in the corners and in the cracks and crevices of the house, child. And I'm sure 9 times out of 10, honey, he has left some hair in those areas. So we need to tidy it up, okay? So I realized, like versus just vacuuming and everything, honey, I need to get down up under the desk. I need to move this fireplace out the way and get up off of there. He loves to walk on this, so I need to clean this as well. Those mirrors, move the condenser, get behind there, baby. Just a lot of deep cleaning our home in today's video, okay? So yeah, girl, that's why I have water. We already took us a little energy pill to go ahead and get us going for the day, honey, because we're about to be moving around. Yes, so, and I am ready, y'all. So let me just go ahead, make my cleaning products, girl, because I like to put them all in a little bowl, get a little towel so I can get like into the creases and crevices, honey, those corners, of your apartment. Because, I mean, let's be honest, unless you are getting your home cleaned by like a professional cleaning company, you're not always getting those, corners and things like that. So that's what I want to get in today's video. And of course, like I said, behind furniture and things like that. So yo, your sister girl about to be a little tired, so y'all, let's go ahead and make our cleaning water and get into this clean with me video.
Solving up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. Call me when you need some. Call me when I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my love. You took my love. I keep crying.
Okay, you guys, it is really starting to look nice, clean, and tidy over here in our space. This is the perfect little like home office slash gym area. You guys know we have a small apartment, but it really looks nice and the cleanliness is perfect. Obviously, Jasper loves it. Y'all see him, but it looks so good, you guys, and totally free of Jasper's hair. I absolutely love how brighter it is. And I moved that lamp. Perfect little tip. So yeah, now I just have to get that picture on the wall, honey. Y'all, it was a lot cleaning that floor over there. The workout equipment, the desk area, girl, that took a lot out of me, okay? But baby, we got it done, y'all. It smells so fresh. It's so clean over there. Listen, it's something about doing an extreme clean on your hands and your knees, baby. It just hit different, okay? I can tell y'all right now, honey, I don't know what made me think I was going to come on here and do a whole house extreme clean with me. Baby, this turned out to be an extreme living room clean with me, okay? Because that's all we can do today. Y'all, but yeah, I just wanted to come touch base with y'all, say, girl, I am tired, but I'm about to go ahead, finish doing the windows and behind the fireplace and do the fireplace, and then we're gonna work our way over to this area. So y'all, let's go ahead and just continue because your sister girl is getting wore out, honey, and I still plan on filming another video tonight. So yeah.
You're gonna make it. Everything you keep doing, everything you have written, everything you imagine, and every prayer prayed, it's yours. Often we give people too much insight about the revelation of what God revealed and how things are showing up, but let's learn to keep some things quiet in that sacred space. Because when we keep it to ourselves, we, number one, give room for more things to flourish. Two, not have an expected timeline on said things. And three, the most important, we keep unwanted people out of the plans that God has for us. I'm a believer in being very minimal about my sharing, but being very maximum with the potential. You have to hold your babies like your baby. Safe, secure, and out of the element of exposure. It's yours. You just have to be a little bit more quieter, a little bit more focused, and a little bit more careful with how you proceed. It's yours. Just don't tell anyone until the finished product is actually done. Keep going.
boo or your house, girl, together. All that. Heck yeah. I like to do this. Hey y'all, girl, I am back and tired, okay? But like I said, this was just gonna be a extreme living room clean with me, honey, because sister girl did what she needed to do, but y'all, it smells so good in the home. Something about cleaning up your space, organizing your home, organizing your living room, kind of, getting in those spots that do not get touched that often. And I feel like that's just, what we did, you guys, and it smells so good in here. The windows are so nice, so clear. I feel like our home is ready for the holidays, okay? Ready for the holidays, ready for 2026 because y'all, it's right around the corner. Like, oh my God, it is about to be 2026. So I want to start cleaning room by room, obviously, honey, because we can't do the same, do all of it in one day. We can't do that, okay? So yeah, we're just going to move room by room throughout our home and clean, like really get into the cracks, the corners, and everything on the floor. So yeah, y'all, I'm glad that y'all was there with me, honey. I'm glad that you guys were there to support your sister girl, because I am tired, okay? But nevertheless, honey, I am happy that we got it done. I am happy that it smells so good in here, you guys, and just nice and clean. Everything just looks so amazing, so polished. The desk looks amazing. You know how it is once you clean up everything, just looks so sparkly, shiny, just really nice, pressed, primped, and ready, okay? I love that. But you guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next Damn I Like vlog. Love y'all. Bye.